Hi, thanks for watching. I purchased my house a couple of years ago and it has a Fieldstone foundation. The foundation is not in a bad shape. It's okay, but then I do want to finish the basement and I don't want to see any water running into the work that I'm going to be doing. I started by adding some cement on top, some concrete. On the outside of the house, I digged like 12 inches, and then I put in some concrete all around the house. And now I don't really have a problem at all, except that I do see the walls are wet. And when I do the work, I don't want to have any issue, like building walls and then having problems with them. I'm gonna be cleaning the walls. I'm gonna add some mortar to it, and then I might paint it, and then I'll add some gypsum board walls. We'll see how that goes. And I tried to get the drill and clean the walls with the drill, but it wasn't the best idea because I was like, I got this big drill, the hammer drill, I think. And when I started digging it like went really deep. So I could see like big holes, and I don't want to mess with the foundation. So I'm gonna be cleaning it with my hands. And let's see how that goes. I'm gonna be filming the whole process. And just one recommendation: if you're a mason, just to watch this video, you're probably gonna kill yourself. If you look at the material that's covering the wall, some of it is like I can remove very easily. See? But some of it is in a good shape, even in here, for example. So I'm gonna keep those and I'm gonna cover those again. To be honest, it doesn't look as bad as I thought. So I got this big hole in here, but it's no big deal. And then here as well, and then here. Otherwise, it's in good shape. I still have to clean this area here. أهم شيء بالأول safety first. هاي بهديها لواحد صاحبي. وهيدا المقطع فرجيه لواحد صاحبي بس ما بهديه إياه لأنه بصير بده إياه. Not too bad, not too bad. So I took off the big loose stuff in here and over there, this place. So this would be the worst part. Otherwise, it's in a good shape. Day number 2. So today the plan is to power wash the walls and leave them to dry. Meanwhile, I'll go outside. I'll show you on the outside. I have some work to do. I'll try to do as much as I can. Now, a couple of things I've noticed. is that I can see some light in here, some light in here, and some light over there. And I checked on the outside. The mortar is not in good shape, so so this needs to be fixed as soon as possible. I'll try to do it today, even though we've had some rain today and nothing happened. So nothing on the walls. I'll just power wash them now and then leave it to dry. This is the wall on the outside. This is where I was showing like a minutes ago, where the light was coming in. So all of this needs to be removed and replaced. I'll probably do all of this, and I can see a small hole in here. This part as well, and maybe this part here. Yeah, this needs to be replaced. This is the concrete that we've poured, by the way. So it's all around the house, like 12 inches deep. And if you look at it, it's sloping down, so the water wouldn't pile up, except for this place here, where it's basically going a bit down into the inside, and the water is piling up, and it's going into the basement. So this place also, I'm gonna try to seal it. So I couldn't find the chisel. I'm just gonna use a screwdriver and see if that works. Looks like this side is done. Not so bad. Just this part I have to remove. I have some rocks inside I couldn't take out, but it's no big deal, you know, it's so deep now. And here I couldn't clean. This is too thin. I'll see what I can do. I'll just clean it. Now I'll just brush it. And then actually I'll do the other side. Later on I'll brush them both. And then I can just add the concrete that I got, the cement. All set now. So it wasn't as bad as I thought. Again, I'm so happy. So all of this place I tried to clean, but I couldn't remove anything more, so I stopped. And I really have no issues on this side, so I'm just gonna leave it. See, it's like there's this black material that I couldn't take out. Here I could remove a bit. I'm just gonna clean them a bit again. Here was good, all good, except for here. So this is exactly this side, and this side is exactly where I used to have water. So I'm gonna clean them and add the material. I'm just gonna brush them now and power wash again and see if I can add the material tonight. It's getting a bit late now. Cleaning time. Power wash time. I should be all set for tonight. I'm probably gonna do the work tomorrow. Day 5. Where did 3 and 4 go? We had rain for 2 days. I couldn't do any work. So, but now at least I can do it today. It's Saturday. So let's get things done. This is the cement I'm going to be using. Ratio 4.5 to 1 based on weight. So it dries very quickly. That's what they say on the bucket. So I'm not going to put too much in it. And I want to learn how to use it. I think it's good. And it dries very fast. Now that I filled the big holes, I'm going to be using this one for the joints. Wasn't so bad. Did I finish? Yes, I finished. At least on the outside. Back to the inside. Now I'm just gonna brush it. It's still a bit wet, but no big deal. I'm gonna now brush it and start applying the material.